Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about one more opcode that is div. So let's go through the program. So here we are writing the code in fixed format, not in fully free format. Okay. So here first of all, I am declaring few variables that is num1, num2, and result. And all of these variable are of numeric type of size 4. So I'm using d spec here for declaring the variable. So after writing d on this position, you can take f4. Then you can assign the variable name and declaration type as s for standalone. Then you have to specify your uh, length, and then s for numeric, and then decimal position as 0. Okay, make sure that you are assigning numeric values from right hand side. Okay, similarly we are declaring two more variable that is num2 and result. Now below to that, on line number 16, I'm using C spec for the calculation perspective, and here I'm evaluating some values to these number. So here I'm assigning num1 to 8 to num1 variable and 2 to num2 variable. Okay. Now on line number 21, we are using the div opcode. So how to use div opcode? So firstly, you have to write C here for C spec, then take f4 and this operation field. So in this operation field, whatever you value, whatever thing you will place is known as the opcode. So here we are using the div opcode, so you have to just keep here div. Then in factor one, you have to put one of your variable. So here I'm passing as it as a 1 num1, and factor 2 num2, and in result field I'm passing my result variable. Okay, so what it will do, it will divide the num1 value with num2 variable, and then whatever the output will be there, it will be stored in result variable. Okay, so let's see, and below to that I'm using dsply opcode to display the result on the output screen. And here on line number 25, we are setting star nlr equals to star on by using the set on opcode. So set on, then in C spec you have to write opcode set on, and in here in high indicator you can put lr for last record. So it does the same thing that we do in free format with star inlr. Okay, so let's compile this program. So here we are dividing 2 with 8 with 2. So let's see what output we are getting. I'm calling it. So we got the answer 4, which is correct because we are dividing the 8 by 2. So this is how you can utilize this div opcode, and whenever you want to divide any value with some value, then in that case you can utilize this div opcode. Okay, these are some old opcodes. Like nowadays no one is using these opcodes because we all are moved to the fully free format. So but for a better understanding, you should be aware of all the things in fixed format as well. So that's why I've created this session. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.